burn out one fat, you will add times 10. That is the essence of not putting cream. That cream contains a lot of fats, which will just go straight and accumulate. As you can see, this food, this is a complete meal. But like some persons will say, I want to eat salad when eating fried rice. When you want to eat fried rice with salad, please, for health-wise, to reduce calorie increase, like excess fat, please don't put cream in your salad. Make sure you just cut your carrots in a normal way and cut your cabbage. If you want to add cucumber, you can add. Burn out one fat, you will add times 10. That is the essence of not putting cream. That cream contains a lot of fats, which will just go straight and accumulate in the junction of your abdomen.